Welcome back. A shocking video is coming at the moment from a private hospital in Gurugram that has gone viral. This is a video where 6 to 8 patients died a few days ago due to an oxygen shortage crisis. The video, which has now come out, shows the kin of those who died, alleging that the hospital staff ran away from the hospital in Gurugram after the deaths. Now the worker of the hospital's medical store has confessed that the staff left the hospital to save their lives after the kin started creating a ruckus. India Today does not vouch for the authenticity of this viral video, but it is reflective of the deeper oxygen crisis that continues to plague large parts of the country.
तो डॉक्टर भागे थे सारे?
सर ये मेरे को नहीं पता, वैसे अंदर ही थे, ये पता नहीं।
अभी आपने कहा कि भाग गए थे?
हाँ भाग गए थे शायद।
भाग गए थे?
मतलब भागे नहीं थे, यहीं बाहर थे।
बाहर चले गए थे सारे डॉक्टर?
क्योंकि सर
कोविड सेंटर को छोड़ के बाहर चले गए थे?
हंगामा हो रहा है सर, आपको अपनी भी डर होती है सबको।
All of this, of course, coming on a day when the Supreme Court once again stepped in and wrapped the center for the ongoing oxygen crisis. The court asked the Narendra Modi government to ensure the smooth supply of oxygen in the national capital and directed the center to bring in a comprehensive plan by tomorrow on how they plan to facilitate the supply. Take a look.
It's an abandoned city, its people sitting on a pyre counting their dead. Most dead, not due to the virus, but lack of oxygen. The city-state, headed by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal, and the centre, headed by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, continue to shift blame in the fight over oxygen. Coming to the rescue of a gasping Delhi has been the judiciary, the Delhi High Court, and now the Supreme Court. You can put your head into the sand like an ostrich. We will not. The High Court taunted the centre on the 4th of May, while asking the central government to show cause as to why contempt of court should not be initiated for non-compliance of orders passed with respect to the supply of oxygen to the national capital. The centre moved Supreme Court against the contempt warning. The apex court during the hearing did say contempt does not solve the crisis, but tore into the centre for not providing enough oxygen that the city needed to stay alive. A bench of Justice D.Y. Chandrachud and M.R. Shah recommended that the centre take note from the Mumbai model of the BMC to try and ensure oxygen supplies to Delhi. It also refused to stop the High Court from monitoring the oxygen situation. We direct that by 10:30 a.m. tomorrow, the centre shall place a comprehensive plan in the form of a chart, indicating the manner in which the direction for allocation of 700 metric tons shall be complied with, adding that it was answerable to the citizens of Delhi. The administration has let citizens down. The judiciary, of late, has been standing up, scheduling urgent hearings, seeking immediate replies, counting each breath of gasping citizens of this capital.
Okay, let's turn from there to our good news story.